Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in Zain HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged in Zain HR account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.careers.zain.com. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the login option. Once you tap on the login option, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do now is simply type in your email address and your password of your account in the sign in box. Once you have done by filling in both the credentials, hit the sign in button and you're all set. Otherwise, you can simply tap on don't have an account yet if you are new to Zain. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.